The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission says it's in by no means undermining the actions of the federal government in respect to former CBN Governor Godwin Emefiele. The commission mentioned this in its counter-affidavit in defense of itself that the commission wasn't responsible for the arbitrary detention of the former governor. Our judiciary correspondent Celestina Area has more.
Arbitrary detention is the crux of the suit filed by the former governor of the CBN. Mr. Emefiele is challenging his detention for over 151 days by both the Department of State Service and the EFCC after his suspension as CBN governor. Justice Adeniyi had held that there must be an end to detention without trial. In admitting Mr. Emefiele to bail, Justice Adeniyi had ordered the three senior advocates in his legal team, Matthew Buka, Johnson Usman, and Magaji Ibrahim, to produce him before Justice Mwazu for his scheduled arraignment, which held on 17th November. At the resumed hearing, the federal government and the Attorney General of the Federation wants the court to decline jurisdiction and strike out the suit. The EFCC and its chairman also have same prayers, stating that Mr. Emefiele only came into the custody of the EFCC on 26th of October and the suit was filed on 31st October. Counsel to the EFCC noted that the actions of the federal government cannot be trivialized, but there is a difference between departments and agencies. It will be ideal to bring the DSS who was responsible for Mr. Emefiele's detention to court. Counsel to Mr. Emefiele, Matthew Buka, said that the federal government has won and Mr. Emefiele was transferred to the EFCC from the DSS. He says the EFCC plans to rearrest Mr. Emefiele as its men are manning the Kuje Correctional Facility. Pictures to this effect, he says, have been submitted to the court.
We had filed an application and they have told my lord that, and that was the same thing they said before the House of Reps. They said there is nothing like that. We believe them as a law-abiding organization that there is nothing like that. We believe then that we'll go ahead and perfect the bill. We believe then that he will come out and nothing will.
Justice Adeniyi has adjourned to 8 January 2024 for judgment as well as ruling in the preliminary objections. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.